In this question, we will calculate the value of opening inventory and closing inventory from the following information. Cash revenue from operations rupees 1 lakh, credit revenue from operations rupees 3 lakh. Revenue from operation means sales, and credit revenue from operation means credit sales, and cash revenue from operation means cash sales. Gross profit is 30% on revenue from operations. Inventory turnover ratio 2 times. Calculate opening and closing inventory in each of the following cases. Case 1, if opening inventory is 1/3 of the inventory at the end. Revenue from operation is equal to, means sales is equal to cash sales and plus credit sales, and cash revenue from operations are rupees 1 lakh and credit revenue from operations are rupees 3 lakh, and revenue from operation sales are rupees 4 lakh, and gross profit is 30% on revenue from operations. 4 lakh into 30%, GP is rupees 1 lakh 20,000, and cost of revenue from operations or cost of goods sold is equal to sales minus GP, or revenue from operations minus gross profit. Revenue from operations are rupees 4 lakh and gross profit is rupees 1 lakh 20,000, and cost of revenue from operation is rupees 2 lakh 80,000. And formula of inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations upon average inventory. Here inventory turnover ratio is given 2 times and cost of revenue from operation is rupees 2,80,000, and after cross multiplying it, 2 average inventory is equal to 2,80,000 and average inventory is equal to 2,80,000 upon 2, that is 1,40,000. Case 1, if opening inventory is 1/3 of the inventory at the end. Let's closing inventory is equal to X and opening inventory is 1 upon 3X, or we can write it as X upon 3. And average inventory we have already calculated, that is 1,40,000, and formula to calculate the average inventory is opening inventory plus closing inventory upon 2. Average inventory is 1,40,000 and opening inventory is X upon 3 and closing inventory is X. 1,40,000 into 2, 2,80,000, and after solving X upon 3 plus X, it is 4X upon 3, and after cross multiplying it, 2,80,000 upon 1 is equal to 4X upon 3. 2,80,000 into 3 is equal to 4X, or 8,40,000 is equal to 4X, and X is equal to 8,40,000 upon 4. X is equal to 2,10,000, and opening inventory is X upon 3, 2,10,000 upon 3, 70,000. And case second, if closing inventory is 25% less than the inventory in the beginning. Let's opening inventory is equal to X and closing inventory is X minus 25%, or X minus 1 upon 4X, and after solving it we get the 3X upon 4. Closing inventory, if opening inventory is X, then closing inventory is 3X upon 4, and average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory upon 2. Average inventory is 1,40,000 and opening inventory is X plus closing inventory 3X upon 4 upon 2. 1,40,000 into 2 is equal to X plus 3X upon 4, and after solving this equation we get 7X upon 4. 2,80,000 is equal to 7x upon 4, and after cross multiplying it we get 2,80,000 into 4 is equal to 7x, and 11,20,000 is equal to 7x, or x is equal to 11,20,000 upon 7, that is 1,60,000. 1,60,000 is the value of x, and x is equal to opening inventory. Then closing inventory is 3x upon 4. 3 into 1,60,000 upon 4, and value of closing inventory is 1,20,000. And the third case, opening inventory is 75% of closing inventory, and closing inventory is 30% of revenue from operations, and revenue from operations are rupees 4 lakh, and closing inventory is 30% of 4 lakh, that is 1,20,000, and opening inventory is 75% of closing inventory, that is 1,20,000 into 75%, 90,000.